Hello, once again, welcome to the IT Academy. Today, we're going to talk about how to create drop-down lists in Microsoft Excel. Now, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do. Just click on the subscribe button down there so you get more Excel training videos from me. How do we create our drop-down list? And first of all, what is a drop-down list about? Why do we need it? Well, a drop-down list is needed for two main reasons. The first is that it minimizes data entry errors. And then the second is that it improves your efficiency by speeding up your data entry tasks. We only use the drop-down list in columns that have predictable values, like departments. We know exactly the number of departments we have. We know the branches that we have. They are not open-ended. We know the exact values to expect. So instead of the person entering the data to type it in, they are made to select from a list. So first of all, we have to type in the list. And it is advisable that you store this list on a separate sheet. So I've stored it here in sheet 1. For the departments, I have marketing, human resources, sales, and data. So this is my list of departments. So let's go back here. To create your drop-down list, all you have to do is highlight the range where it's supposed to be entered. And then you click on Data tab. You click on the Data tab. And then you click on Data Validation. At the moment, this range you have selected will allow any value to be entered. That is the default setting. You can enter any value. So you want to change it. So what kind of values do you want to permit here? You change it and you tell the system that you have a list. Okay, so we click on list. And the system is now asking you, where is this your list located? What is the source? So you click on this button and then you see the source is here. All you have to do is highlight the list and then click on this button and click OK. That is it. So when it comes to data entry time, you don't have to type the department's name. Once you highlight here, you see a button here. Just click on it and you select the department. You click here and you select whatever department you want to select. You see that it speeds up data entry. You don't have to type everything. Okay, and it also prevents you from making errors. Now we can also go to the branch. We want to do this for this branch. So we highlight it and then we go to data, the data tab, and then we click on data validation. Instead of any value, we go to list. And then we go to the source of the list as we did before. It is in sheet 1. And the branches are these. I highlight them. And then I click the button and click OK. You see it. So when I come to the branch, I click here. Okay, this person is based in Lagos. Another one is based in Accra. Another one, okay, this guy is based in London. So you can see now how it makes your data entry work faster and also minimizes spelling mistakes. So that is the short video for a drop-down list. I hope it's helpful to you. If you also have questions, please put them in the comment section and I will attend to them promptly. See you another time. Bye for now.